Today I am going to explain the topic mineral additions for low salinity of Penis Vietnamese culture. Advantages of low salinity culture: cheaper land, faster growth, less problems with disease and virus transmission, and less vibrio species bacterial problems, zero water exchange, best growth 12 to 15 ppt, highest survival 8 to 16 ppt. When we going to low salinity culture, the availability of the land is cheap rate and fast growth rates and less problems with disease. Without disease we can out of the culture. You can save. Less vibrio species means vibrio parahemolyticus, vibrio species problems we don't face a lot of much. And best growth at 12 to 50 ppt of salinity. Highest survival at 8 to 16 ppt at highest survival rate in Lithopenes Vietnamese culture. And disadvantages of low salinity culture. According to advantages of low salinity culture, similarly disadvantages also are same. Extra cost to bring brine and salts. Suppose we want to do 20-30 salinity, we want to add salts or brine solutions to bring high salinities. Low tolerance to very low salinities. Possible gases and minerals supersaturation of groundwater, where the groundwater of the minerals and possible gases are supersaturated. And agricultural fertilizers and pesticides runoff from the soil. Increase the salinity of groundwater and soil. Measure minerals for Vietnamese ratio: chloride, sodium, magnesium 16:9:1, magnesium, calcium, potassium 3:1:1. When we are going to the ratios of the minerals at correct dose we can give, then molding problems did not occur in the culture. A lot of farmers did mistake the dose of the minerals correctly did not give to ponds. And sodium, potassium 34 to 47. The sodium 34 to 47:1, potassium 1 ratio. And chloride greater than 500 ppm. Alkalinity greater than 75 to 150 ppm. When we bring to 75 to 150 ppm alkalinity, we want to apply the 1 to 2 metric tons of hectare per hectare lime or sodium bicarbonate. All of the calcium Ca plus, magnesium plus, potassium K. Minerals are essential for the major resource for we want to give for the shrimp culture because of the main reasons: shrimp molting and shrimp osmoregulation. Osmoregulation means the water density of the shrimp pond higher to lower saturations. Nervous system, the nervous system of the animal health condition, to bring good position we want to give minerals. And main composition of shell is formed with minerals CaCO3, calcium carbonate. When we give a correct dose of the minerals formed a shell, good shell. Structural components of the muscles. The muscles of the animal to bring good structural components. When we give correct dose of minerals, then we can give better doses of minerals. And blood pH regulations. The Lithopenes Vietnamese blood pH regulations we can control the essential components of enzyme, hormones, vitamins, respiratory pigments, and ATP, etc. If deficiency, shell or muscle problems and slow growth and eventually death. The main minerals of the calcium. It is essential and major component of the shrimp shell. It is a majorly 60 to 80% calcium occupied the shell formation required in blood clotting. To stop the blood clotting, we need a calcium, key enzyme activator, and stimulate the muscle contraction between the body parts. It regulates the nervous transmission and regulates the cell membrane permeability and hence nutrient uptake. And calcium regulates the cell membrane and permeability and hence the nutrient uptake. Required in vitamin B12 uptake. If calcium deficiency, suppose if calcium is nothing in this pond, the deficiency of the shrimp, soft shell, thin calcium is a major proportion of the chitin. The formation of the chitin is major requirement is calcium. High mortality after molting, slow growth and long molting period, reduced feeding efficiency, and shrimp looks like a weak and inactive, cramped and white muscle problems.